Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me for another video. Here is the dry results from a couple paintings ago, I believe. If you haven't seen this video here, go check it out. This one dried very flat. So this is the one, if you did watch that video, you would remember that the white was the area that was thicker than all the other paint colors. Hi, Leo. And it also dried with the impressions of the air bubbles. And yes, it completely dried that way. So I'm not too happy about that. I don't know what I'm gonna do about fixing it. But other than that, I'm telling you, it's just absolutely amazing. This is just the dry results without any varnish. So I do use a high gloss professional varnish by Winsor Newton. There is one more dry painting that I want to show you from a couple paintings ago. Try not to step on my cat here because he decided to join me in my video, even though he was missing in action for hours. So here we are. If there are any cat owners out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Here is the dry results from a couple paintings ago. This is the sort of minimalistic style painting pour that I did. I believe this was a flop cup, but I do remember that this base color was just a custom base or just paint from the table. You know, after each pour, I scrape up the paint into a cup and it can be reused in another painting. Actually, this is a combination of leftover paint and I just added some silver in this earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with today's painting. This is an 18 by 24 inch. It's a level 1 canvas by Artist Loft. Just not really sure what I want to do next. Like, all of this is new to me, so I don't really know what I'm doing. Leo is still down below there. I don't necessarily know what this is doing. I see what's happening now. Okay, I like that. I actually like that. can't think too long because it is acrylic paint and it will dry, or at least start to dry on me. Love the colors. Loving the colors. I'm loving the colors. A lot of air bubbles because I just mixed together the gray. Now I'm gonna come back in with this paintbrush and soften this line. I don't want any harsh lines in this one, so I want it to be as smooth as possible. And I'm really liking using this paintbrush. I had dug in a little too deep right there, but that's okay because I'm about to do more. Now I think I am gonna layer a cup. Oh, that's what I wanted to mention. This is the Ultramarine Blue, or I'm sorry, Ultramarine Light. I didn't know it was that much paint left in there. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it was that much paint left in the cup. Oh no. Oh man. Okay, well I have to say that was pretty funny, but I did not, that wasn't what I was looking for. I didn't know it was that much paint. I thought I'd seen how much paint was left in the cup, but that was a lot. I got a few sales, a few of them. I think I accomplished exactly what I was going for in this painting. I just wanted some movement, some flow, a little bit of negative space, and just very light and neutral colors, but with blue undertones. Just gotta bring you guys down for a close-up because you guys need to catch this vibe as well. Here it is. I just wanted to turn out the lights just to show you the silver that's in the base there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying not to get the light in the video, but there is metallic in the base, and there's also metallic in every color that I use in this acrylic painting, and I will list those colors in the description. But yeah, check it out. So in the cream, I did add a pearl white. And then in the sky blue light, I added a sky blue topaz by Extreme Sheen. And then I don't remember all the colors I added in the turquoise blue. I believe it was like iridescent blue-green or blue-green. But I'll list those colors in the description. So here is the dry, well, this is the wet result. So I will show the dry painting in the next video. But thank you guys for watching.